If you like vinaigrettes on your salad, then you're gonna like this homemade red wine vinaigrette. And the basic steps to it is, of course, to take a jar. I like to use a jar because it puts everything in one container and it's easy cleanup. I'm gonna use vegetable oil, but you can always use canola oil or olive oil. I'm adding red wine vinegar. I am adding thyme, oregano, and garlic, because y'all know I love garlic. There is never enough garlic as far as I'm concerned. Oops, so you gotta get that last little bit in there. All right, and then the Dijon mustard is gonna give it a different flavor, which I like it. You could also add a little sugar if you wanted to give it a sweeter flavor. I am adding my pepper and salt. And let me scrape this last little bit of mustard down there. Okay, I'm gonna put the top on and shake. And you're ready to put this on a salad, or you could use it for a marinade. Refrigerate it within 2 hours, and then it will stay in the refrigerator for 1 week. Enjoy.